How to change profile picture on Facebook.
Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
So first of all, open the Facebook app. Go to your profile by clicking on the three horizontal bars on the top right corner and just click on the icon where you can see a structure like a human. So click there and click choose profile picture. If you have already added a profile picture, then the option will appear as change profile picture. So just click on change profile picture. Choose any picture that you want to, and you can share this profile picture in your newsfeed. If you don't want to, just don't click it and it won't be shared on your newsfeed, and just click on save, and there you have successfully added a new profile picture on Facebook.
So, yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.